In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group in Zoho Cliq. Now, before we dive in, it's important to clarify that Zoho Cliq doesn't currently offer an option to fully delete group chats. While this might seem limiting at first, there is a way you can manage the information within your group chats by clearing the chat history. Clearing the chat history essentially wipes out all previous messages within the chat while retaining the group itself. This can be particularly helpful if you want to maintain the group setup but start fresh with the conversation. So, let's explore how you can clear the group chat history to achieve a clean slate. To start, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar of your Zoho Cliq application. This is where you'll find an option labeled History. Clicking on this will bring up a selection of your recent conversations, including your group chats. Take a moment to locate the specific group chat whose history you intend to clear. This might take a bit of scrolling if you have numerous active chats, but look for the one that you want to start anew with. Once you've identified the correct group chat from your list, click on it to open the conversation. Here, you may find that your chat has accumulated a lot of messages over time. It's okay if this seems overwhelming. That's exactly what we're going to address. You'll notice on the chat interface an ellipsis, often represented by 3 small dots. This is commonly referred to as the Actions menu. Look for these 3 dots as they're your gateway to managing your chat options. Click on the ellipsis, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, go ahead and select Clear Chat. This is the key step to removing the entire conversation history from the group chat. It's a straightforward process, and by confirming this action, all the old messages will be permanently deleted. Keep in mind that this won't delete the group itself. The group will still appear in your chat list, but it will be devoid of any past conversations. Clearing the chat history can help keep your application from getting cluttered with unnecessary conversations. It's also an effective way to maintain organizational focus by ensuring only current discussions are visible to group members. Whether you're reorganizing communication or just want a fresh start, knowing how to clear chat histories in Zoho Cliq is a valuable skill. So, whenever the need arises, you know exactly what to do to manage your group chats efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.